Q-Rail fans, I'm here to talk about my car again, and I wanted to tell you that I got a new battery courtesy of Ford and their high voltage battery recall. I haven't really noticed much difference except for it seems to charge faster. I can charge in an hour and a half now instead of 2.5, based on going from 25% to 100%. So that's the latest on this car here. Anyway, I still like it. Do I think I would get something like this? Sorry, too much money. So I'll stick with what I've got right here.